Hi students, I hope you are all good and doing well in your studies. Today you are going to learn an instrument that is spectrophotometer. This is an instrument that is commonly used in many labs. The definition of spectrophotometer. It is an instrument that measures the amount of light observed by the sample. So it measures the amount of light observed from the sample. The principle of spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometer techniques are mostly used to measure the concentration of solutes in solution. Solution is basically our test solution. By measuring the amount of light that is observed by the solution. Test solution in a cuvette placed in the spectrophotometer. So it measures Spectrophotometer measures the amount of light observed from the sample. The ion concentration or concentration of solute is directly proportional to the amount of light observed from the sample. So as their concentration or solutes are high, the absorption is also high. So in this way we measure our test sample. The working of spectrophotometer. The light source, monochromator, our sample, detector and digital display are used in spectrophotometer. First of all, a light source is used. The light source typically yields high output of polychromatic light. Then this polychromatic light is transferred to the lens. Lens collect all polychromatic light coming from the light source. So see, it collects all the light source. And then monochromator. Monochromator separate light into different component, means it accepts polychromatic input light and outputs monochromatic light. So now you see only one wavelength of light and it transmits from the our sample solution. Any photosensitive device can be used as a detector of radiant energy. The photocell and phototube are the simplest photodetector, producing current proportional to the intensity of light. Then display devices. The data from the detector are displayed by the readout devices such as analog, digital display, LCD or output can also be transmitted to the computer or a printer. So from here we see our result, that how much light is observed from the sample or how much solutes are present in our test sample. Here is the application of spectrophotometer and it is used in clinical chemistry, molecular biology, immunology and hematology. Thank you for watching this lecture, and if you like this lecture then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you want these slides you can get a link in the description box. Thank you.